Subjects and predicates form the core of sentence structure. The subject is the person or thing performing the action, while the predicate describes what the subject does or is. Clear writing relies on correctly matching subjects with predicates. Common mistakes include mismatched agreements, which can be avoided by following specific rules. Practice exercises help reinforce understanding. In every sentence, the subject is the person or thing performing the action, while the predicate describes what the subject does, has, feels, or is. Understanding these elements is crucial for constructing clear and effective sentences. A complete subject includes all words that tell who or what the sentence is about. For example, in "The 13-year-old brother won the race," the complete subject is "the 13-year-old brother." The simple subject, however, is just the main word or words, which in this case is brother. The complete predicate includes all words that describe what the subject does or is. In the sentence, "The 13-year-old brother won the race," the complete predicate is "won the race." The simple predicate, however, is just the main verb or verb phrase, which is won. The subject of a sentence is never within a prepositional phrase. For instance, in the morning, Randy practices piano. Randy is the subject, while in the morning is the prepositional phrase. This distinction is crucial for accurate sentence analysis. In the sentence, "The balloon floated away," the subject is balloon, which is the main focus of the action. The predicate "floated away" describes what the balloon is doing. This breakdown helps in understanding sentence structure by clearly identifying the subject and the action it performs. In the sentence, "Randy plays basketball after school," Randy is the subject, indicating who the sentence is about. The predicate "plays basketball after school" describes what Randy does. Understanding the subject and predicate helps in identifying the core components of a sentence, enhancing comprehension and communication skills. The complete subject of a sentence encompasses all the words that tell who or what the sentence is about. It is crucial for understanding the sentence's meaning. For example, in "The complete subject of the sentence is extremely important," the complete subject is the complete subject of the sentence. In each sentence, the subject is who or what the sentence is about, while the predicate tells what the subject does. For example, in "The dog barked loudly," the dog is the subject, and "barked loudly" is the predicate. Identifying these components is crucial for understanding sentence structure.